Are you ready? Let's see what's going to happen if we put baking soda in with the vinegar.
Are you ready, guys? First, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my gosh!
Audio Jungle.
Hi, guys! Welcome to Once's Fun World.
What are you gonna do today?
I'm gonna do
Science experiment with
science
vinegar
is
and
experiment.
baking soda.
Yeah.
Let's see what's going to happen
Okay,
with
first,
vinegar and baking soda.
first.
Let's see.
pour measure
Vinegar in the container.
Vinegar?
Yeah.
Where's vinegar?
So this is vinegar, and you have
Vinegar.
uh,
Vinegar. That.
food coloring.
Okay, I should need some help.
Okay, first pour vinegar in the container. Careful.
Or another one.
Another one. Careful.
Now the next container.
Careful.
Okay, over it. Or that my mom said.
Okay, then last container. Last container.
Last container. There. Next. More. One more.
Careful. Okay. Next step is add coloring.
Borrowing.
Yay, add coloring. So we are going to use what colors? Here, the food coloring first.
Okay.
Alright, you pick blue first. Alright, here.
Okay.
Blue.
Blue.
Wow, look at the blue color.
It's fizzy.
Blue.
Next one.
Next.
Yes. Yellow.
Next is yellow. Ooh.
Next is red.
Red. Ooh.
Oh, blood.
Ooh.
Blood sucking
Red.
parasite. This is blue. This is yellow. And this is red.
Good job. Wow, look at those colors.
And
Next.
the next one,
Next,
add coloring.
add glitters or toys. Or add glitters and toys. Like blue glitters. Wow.
Yellow.
Yellow glitters. Wow.
Red glitter.
Red glitters. Wow. And then let's put some stars.
Stars.
This one, these guys. Ooh.
Okay.
Some stars, star confettis. Okay. Ooh. Wow, look at that. And the
Next one.
container. Ooh, so pretty. Wow.
I'm gonna put toys.
First, Spider-Man, just like you. Wow, look at Spider-Man. It's ready to go. Okay.
Next one, Iron Man.
Next is Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Iron Man is ready too.
Okay.
Spider-Man. Next is, who's that? Captain America.
Without a shield. Captain America ready to.
Oh yeah.
Time to put the
A
snow.
minute, let's see. Wow, superheroes are ready. Marvel superheroes.
Time to put.
And now it's time to put the baking soda. Are you ready? Let's see what's going to happen if we put baking soda in with the vinegar.
Are you ready, guys? First, 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my gosh!
Okay, next. Wow, next one. Wow. Wow, let's see what's gonna happen here. Wow, let's see what's gonna happen here too. Wow. So cool.
Yeah, it's
guys.
very, very cool, guys.
Woo.
Like and subscribe.
Wow. That was a big explosion, you guys.
Okay. Let's try some more.
Pour more. Put them in. All in.